early today as he left a party in Los Angeles. Wallace, also known as Biggie Smalls, was shot from a passing vehicle. He had been named Rap Artist of the Year
by shooting Saturday night. That story tops our world headline. To promote peace, rapper Tupac Shakur is also pictured in the mural.
The two rappers were rumored to be rivals, but police say they are not aware of any connection in the murders.
With your spirit above me or beneath me, your whole life you live sneaky. Now you rest eternally sleepy. You burn when you creep me. Rest where the worms in the weak be.
Alright guys, what's up? I'm here with Troy again. We're actually in his car. He's letting me drive it. I feel so special, Troy.
Man, you're lucky. That's my baby.
But we just got a whole bunch of dope videos, guys. We're gonna show you that after this. But I've always been wondering like how the V2. What's the trans called in here? It's 6L80 or
it's a 6L90.
6L90.
Yeah.
I've always wanted to see how these shifted because like, I'm so used to V1 and everybody says it's a lot different from the V2s and the V1s. So we're gonna take it, do a couple pulls, and then I'll show you that video. But go check out Troy. You got Instagram?
Yeah. What is it? I forgot. I changed.
Oh, it's like T Wiggled or something.
Yeah, T Wiggled.
Yeah, I'll post it. I'll look for it after when I'm editing because you guys, you know, this isn't like real life. But we're gonna take this for a spin and get my reaction. All right, guys. So we just use the paddles.
So if you want to use the paddles, shift over once, click it over, and keep it there. Now it's still in automatic. Once you downshift the paddle, you'll see your gears over there.
I see the gears.
So you'll see your gears right in here.
Very nice.
So you're in second gear right now. And then now you're gonna have to shift it. This is up, that's down. Yep.
Alright. I'm used to the paddle shifters. I feel so. It doesn't even feel like it shifts.
I know.
Are you ready?
Yeah. It's spinning.
Damn, that feels so good.
Yeah, it's fun. It broke loose.
I'm just used to it because like I got a T56, so it all feels like, I don't know, it feels like right there. This feels like it just goes.
Oh, I love it, man.
Dude.
Shit, hey.
You should have never even put me in this car because it's a goodbye V1.
Hey, and you got the cooled seat on, air
right,
on.
my butt cheeks are nice and cool.
We're comfy right now.
That sounds so good.
I love it.
Dude, that's so smooth. I'm like freaking out right now.
Keep going. Just keep driving. I don't give a fuck.
Yeah, she's in the car, whatever.
Yeah, fuck it.
It's so fast though, the way it responds.
I know. I love the downshifts too. It's got a nice smooth downshift with it.
The brakes feel really good. Do a little loop up here.
Here, go. Hit it again. Third or something.
Always straight. What tires are these?
It's on a 17-inch Mickey Thompson ETR. Yeah, it's on a 17 ETR on a weld. So full weld drag pack.
Yeah, see, I was bouncing between the Mickey Thompsons and the Nittos, but I ended up just getting the Nittos.
Yeah, we're on pump gas right now too. It's got an E-tune for it.
That's crazy. So
it makes about 100 more horsepower on the E almost. Yep.
She's over.
She's sick.
Ooh.
So what you think?
I think, I don't know.
You like it?
Dude, that's crazy.
I don't know how you got me to let you drive it.
Yeah, just the trans though, like it just feels like it pulls like constantly.
Yeah, even when it's shifting, it's still pulling. Yep.
Yeah, like, and then it's so smooth.
Yeah,
like,
as it's slipping, it's still pulling when it's shifting. I love it. Oh, the bumps, yeah. You'd be surprised. This thing handles pretty good. It's not lowered or anything. So it's just the drag pack. Hear how sticky them tires are from our burnout.
yeah. What what happens if you just put it in drive? It just
goes right back to automatic, and I'll just drive it like a normal car.
That's great.
No.
This thing handles good too. Like,
so how you just put it back in drive, you can put it in sport mode, and it's still going to be automatic.
So
until you drop down with either this right here, you push down on this, or the paddles, that's when it's shift mode. So back in just normal drive. It's basically sport transmission mode is what they call it. And then we got the multi-gauge, the V multi-gauge here. Got them high intake taps.
yeah.
It's got a bunch of different.
Is it right here, or did we pass it?
We passed it. So we got a bunch of different settings on the multi-gauge.
Fat ass tires, you can hear them picking everything up on the road.
See, hold on, I got a horsepower thing here. Let's see if we can hit it. Last time it put out 700 when I kept it on the horsepower.
Probably the track, nice and sticky.
Yeah. This is just engine horsepower, it's not wheel horsepower.
Yeah. You guys like my boobs?
I'm right there with you. Ah, fuck, I passed it. Nah, we ain't worried about it.
F it.
There's so many settings, man, it's ridiculous.
Oh, this is nice. This is making me want to sell my V.
Yeah.
Because a lot of people are buying V1s now, so it's like...
Yeah, I've seen that. And the V2s are coming down in price. Because the V, you know, you get more.
If I put down what I was going to put, like, the whole V as a down payment, like... my payments would be so cheap.
Right, it wouldn't be horrible. There we go, that's engine horsepower right there, it shows. It's kind of cool. If you want, you can do a full pull. Just pump it.
Woo! That's crazy. I just like how smooth it is, because my car, like, I don't know, maybe just because it's a manual, I don't know.
Yeah.
This is like, you just hold on.
The whole car is smooth. Out of all the cars I drive, the ProCharge Coyote, all the other, you know, Turbo Honda, this is definitely the smoothest car I've ever had.
The Turbo Honda, that thing just...
That was just an ignorant
car.
car.
All over the road.
Yeah, it's a different animal, but no, for all around car, I love this thing. I've had SRT8 Jeep, that was fun, but I think this tops that. So.
For sure, and they have so much potential. Like you can make whatever you said, 700 horsepower. Like it's
it's
nothing.
So what you think? Fun?
I think I'm gonna start thinking about trading my V in, guys.
He's sold. He's sold on it.
This guy's a freaking... I don't know, but I want to say thanks one more time, guys, to Troy for letting me drive this thing. It's been,
no problem, man.
Been an absolute blast.
You've been looking out for us with all the other videos and helping us with
pics and stuff. I'm gonna check out his Instagram. He's gonna post a whole bunch more pics. But
yeah, there's a lot of pics of this, the Turbo Honda when I was doing that stuff. So a lot of car stuff on my Instagram. So
if you guys want to see some dope car stuff, go check out my Instagram. But I'll see you guys later. Comment, rate, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one. Peace.
God, oh my God, if I die, I'm a legend. When they lay me down to rest, I know I was always repping. Oh my God, my whole life, my words been my greatest weapon. I know I've been the coast's greatest blessing.